Hi guys, today I want to share some important tips regarding shipment forecasting so that we can save some of our money. So first of all, we know that we seldom face placement fees when there are some shipments. So and we are not given the Amazon split option sometimes. So first of all, we need to make sure that we have that option activated from here. So go to the fulfillment by Amazon, and then from here inbound placement service fee for our Amazon API, it is set to Amazon optimize shipment split. So make sure that this setting is set to Amazon optimize shipment split so that we can get this option. Otherwise, if we have it for minimum split, then we will not even get these two options. Okay, and then second thing that we want to make sure is that whenever we are sending any kind of inventory through LTL, we need to make sure that whatever SKUs are there in our shipment, they should have more than 5 cartons with same number of SKUs, because Amazon's policy is that you can read it from here, that this shipment plan does not qualify for Amazon optimize or partial split options, because you must have at least 5 cartons or pallets of each item in your shipping plan, and each carton must contain the same quantities. So basically, the simple meaning is that you need to have, if for example we have 5 SKUs in a shipment, all those 5 SKUs should have at least 5 cartons that have the same amount of units, such as 50 units in each carton and 5 units at least. So what we can do is that if we have 10 SKUs in shipment and 5 of them have more than 5 cartons and 5 of them do not have more than 5 cartons, so what we can do is that we can create a shipment and add those into one shipment, those who have more than 5 cartons. So we will get the Amazon optimized shipment split, and we will not be getting the placement fee and the other ones. So this is how we can save our money from the shipment placement fee. And the second thing here is that we need to, for the LTL shipments, we need to make sure that we are planning them way above than when we have to create them. For example, if we want to send a shipment on 20th January, so we should create a shipping plan on uh, 10th January, or like even before than that. So because this helps in a way that when you go to the LTL partner carrier, you will see that with the number of days delaying, you would get lesser amount of uh, carrier fee. So for example, you can see that for the latest date it is 195, and therefore if we ship it to Monday, then it is 148. And these are just small units. If they are large units, then this difference would be huge. And here you can see that due to the workload of there, it is really high shipping fee here, and here it came down to 189. So basically, we do not need to make a shipping plan as soon as we have to send the inventory. We can create the shipping plan earlier, before a week, 1 or week or 2 weeks, so that we can get lower carrier charges. So in this way we can make our shipments cost effective. Thank you so much.